సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss power supplies. Power supplies means power or current, voltage. These parameters are passes through electronic circuits. The electronic circuits, some electronic circuits, current convert into AC to DC or DC to AC. So these are all electronic circuits supplies. So totally the power supplies means all electronic circuits need DC power supply either from battery to power pack units. All electronic circuits need DC power supply either from battery to power pack units. Okay, many electronic equipment contain circuits which convert the AC supply voltage into DC voltage at required level. So many electronic equipment contain circuits which convert the AC supply voltage into DC voltage. Many electronic equipment contain circuits which convert the AC supply voltage into DC voltage at required level. So this is also power supply. Okay, next, the above units, electronic equipments, the units containing these circuits means above circuits. What are above circuits? The circuits which convert the AC supply into DC supply. The units containing these circuits. What these circuits? The circuits are AC supply voltage into DC voltage. The circuits which converted into AC into DC. So the units containing these circuits are called linear mode power supply. So what is the linear mode power supply? LPS. The units containing circuits which AC supply voltage into DC voltage are called linear mode power supply. LPS supply, linear mode supply, means the units containing circuits which circuits AC supply voltage which circuits converted into AC to DC voltage. So these are also power supplies. This variation is called as linear mode power supply. Linear mode power supply. Okay. Next of all, the unit which contains units to convert DC to DC or DC to AC. The units are called switched mode power supply. That means SMPS. The unit which contains units to convert DC to DC and DC to AC are called switched mode power supply. But AC to DC, that is called linear power supply. Linear mode power supply. Okay, AC to DC is the linear mode power supply. So here DC to DC or DC to AC are called switched mode power supply. That means SMPS. Okay, so that's the way the power supplies are classified into two types. The power supplies are classified into two types. One is the linear power supply. This is also linear mode power supply. It means AC to DC power supply. This is the converter. Okay. Second classification. What is the second classification? Already we know that is the switched mode power supply. This is the DC to DC power supply, that is the converter. DC to AC, that is the inverter. So the power supplies are mainly two types. One is the linear power supply, second one is the switched mode power supply, that is the SMPS. In linear power supply, only converter AC to DC power supply. In SMPS, switched mode power supply, there are two types. One is the DC to DC converter and DC to AC inverter. Okay, mainly power supply must satisfy the following requirements. Those are in everyday life we are using the number of electronic devices like TVs and transistors and also so many loudspeakers. These are all electronic devices. Okay, in electronic devices, successful operation of the device depends. So you have to, TV is the successful operation. The device depends on the proper functioning of the DC power supply. So the DC power supply must satisfy the following requirements. That one, good load regulation, no up and downs, good load regulation. Okay, second one, good line regulation. There is no up and down lines. Good line regulation, good load regulation. Next one, higher conversion efficiency. Okay, the device has a higher conversion efficiency. Okay, next one, higher reliability. Higher reliability. Okay, which device satisfy these requirements? That device is successfully operated. Good load regulation, good line regulation, higher conversion efficiency, higher reliability, and less harmonics. Harmonics means this type of less harmonics in input and output waveform for reduction in filter size. Okay, so good load regulation, good line regulation, higher conversion efficiency, higher reliability, less harmonics, and mainly thing, higher power density. Higher power density for reduction in size and weight. So the power supply, the DC power supply must satisfy the requirements. First one is the good load regulation, second one is the good line regulation, third one is the higher conversion efficiency, fourth one is the higher reliability, fifth one is the less harmonics, sixth one is the higher power density for reduction in size and weight.